Hello friends, the Huawei Nova 15 is a stylish first phone that doesn't compromise on endurance. It's a perfect if you want a beautiful slim device. Now take a look at specifications. Rear camera will be dual camera. Main sensor is 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel and 50 megapixel front facing camera. Fingerprint is side mounted. Battery is 6000 mAh. This is a big battery with 100 watt charging support. Huawei Nova 15 powered by Kirin 8020 chipset. RAM will be 12 GB and 256 and 512 GB internal memory. Display is OLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. Size is 6.7 inches with a full HD plus resolution on 1000. It now supports an IP65 rating. I hope you enjoyed with this video. See you in the next video.